Hello, I'm Maricel Celeste and I'm a special education teacher. I came here to study and to learn more about students with special needs, because as a special educator, I believe that you should be equipped with the knowledge and experience to help your student and to learn more strategies and methodologies for your teaching. And also I really appreciate what our trainer taught us, and also with the shared experience from my co-trainees, and I think I learned a lot and I can apply it to my daily lives, like to my students in my school. And also I really appreciate, especially with making the IEP. Yes, and I wish and I'm looking forward for program like I wanted to attend more trainings. I hope so. I hope ACT will have more trainings in the future. And the experience that I have here is really great, and looking forward again to be here. And thank you, ACT.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.